Hi there, I'm back again with another video on JavaScript operators, and this time we're going to learn about multiplicative operators. Okay, so this asterisk sign we use for multiplying, this slash we use for divide, and this % sign is a we use for modulus or remainder. Okay, so let's begin. Let me create a variable. Let's call it results equals to, let's say, 2 multiply 10. It's easy, right? Console log results. Okay, let's see what 20. Awesome, as we expected. But remember, even on this one, the type conversion happens like we have seen before. So this will try to automatically convert. Even if it supplies string, it will try to convert to number. Okay, so for example, this is a string 10, but if I run, it just works. Okay, so automatic type conversion, this is one of the weird behavior of JavaScript, but now that you know, it's fine, and hopefully you can use this on your benefit. Okay, so that's multiply, pretty straightforward. Let's do divide. Okay, so let's do 2, in fact let's do 200 divided by 10. Very straightforward. 20. Let's divide by 5. 40. 5 times 40, 200. Pretty awesome. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Multiply, divide, but this modulus might be a bit confusing. It represents a remainder or leftover. Okay, that's a good word. Leftover. For example, if I divide 200 by 5, it's 40, right? So straight 540 times 200, so there is nothing left over. Well, however, if I divide by, let's say, 6, it's odd number, right? It's not even, it's odd, so the result will be let's see what it comes. See, the remainder is 2. The reason we see that is, let me show you. So let's make it 10 and let's make it 2. So 2, if 10 divided by 2, left over nothing. 5 2s are 10, so nothing's left over. Okay, so if you see, it will see 0. However, if you divide by 3, so 3 3s are 9, so 1 left over, right? So this time, if you use 3, left over should be 1. People call it modulus, people call it remainder, all sorts of things, but you know now what it does. Okay, so hopefully we will be able to use this in some JavaScript algorithms that we will do later, and maybe when we build some application, maybe we get to use this, but definitely it's a good one. Okay, you will use this sometime. We covered multiplicative operators in this one. Next one will be additive operators. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.